The Samsung Galaxy S23 series is not stopping. Every single day we have a new leak and rumors regarding the S23 series devices, which pretty much give us an idea what to expect from the device. Yesterday we have seen the official promotional material has been leaked by 91 Mobiles, which pretty much give us an idea for both the S23 Plus and S23 Ultra design. Yes, we have a new design for the S23 Plus, but the S23 Ultra is going to be retaining the same design as this year S22 Ultra, which is kind of surprising, but still, if the device is going to be performing better, then I don't think that design is going to be a big concern for most consumers. And here today we have got some more leaks regarding the S23 series, which includes the screen, batteries, and cooling system that has been improved. Now, starting with the display, according to a Twitter leaker Ahmed, which has a pretty much good track record when it comes to Samsung devices, has given us a detail that this year the S23 Ultra and the S23 Plus will be retaining the same 1750 nits of peak brightness, which is kind of a surprising for me because most previous leaks has been pointing out that we are actually going to see a 2200 nits of peak brightness as compared to 1750 nits, and it's going to be competing against the like of iPhone 14 Pro Max. If that leak is true, then I'm not saying that it's going to be a downgrade, but still it's going to be less superior as compared to the iPhone 14 2000 nits of peak brightness. Now, what this leak is pointing out that the base S23 will be packing the 1750 nits of peak brightness, which is going to be good for the base variant of the S23 family. Previously, it was on 1500 nits, so having a 1750 nits of peak brightness is going to be a major upgrade. Having a brighter screen will going to be help outdoors quite easily. No, the second major leak coming from S23, which gave us a detail about the battery capacity and the charging speed for the S23 series. According to him, both the S23 and S23 Plus will be having a 200 mAh battery capacity increase than their previous generation, whereas the S23 Ultra will be retaining the same 5000 mAh battery. Now, for the charging speed, we have 25 watt for the S23 base model, whereas the S23 Plus and the S23 Ultra both are having the 45 watt of fast charging support, which is going to be similar to the S22 Plus and S22 Ultra. So no charging speed upgrade is going to be coming next year. Now, the third major upgrade that has been leaked is regarding the cooling system that is coming for the S23 series. Well, basically, you know that every processor produces heats, and since Samsung is using the overclock variant of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, so definitely they have to have a cooling system that will cool the processor in order to achieve maximum level of performance from the device. Another leaker, Anthony, has also mentioned same thing, that the cooling system is going to be upgraded. Now guys, these are the three leaks that has been recently launched. We already know that Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is going to perform better, and the Geekbench listing that has been appeared yesterday give us a detail that a 5100 multi-core score has been appeared, which is going to be pretty great. And we do hope that through software optimization in future we can get a good Geekbench score, and it will give us an idea that this device is going to be capable of competing against the like of Apple A16, which is pretty crazy. Now, 200 megapixel sensor is also in the list for the S23 Ultra, which is going to be coming with an 8K video recording at 30 frames per second, and also it's coming with the 3 different modes, which includes 12 megapixel, 50 megapixel, and a 200 megapixel dedicated mode. So definitely they are going to perform differently and give you a different quality of images at different levels. So I'm pretty much excited about the S23 Ultra main 200 megapixel camera sensor. Now, as far as the launch date, it's going to be happening in February 1st in San Francisco, and this is going to be the in-person event from Samsung since from 2019. All these leaks that has been arrived seem very promising on paper, but nothing is really set in stone at present. Definitely take these leaks as a pinch of salt. And you guys, that is it in this particular video. If you want to see the detailed look of the device, here is the video. Do check out them as well. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.